Compromise for your dream, but never compromise on your dream. It's not defeat that destroys you. It's being demoralized by defeat that destroys you. The more you study, the more you know. How less you know. I will fight for Pakistan until the last ball. If you are not failing, you are not pushing your limits. One should never be afraid of losing. I think that really is the key. A nation is not conquered until the hearts of its women are on the ground. The objective of my government is to strengthen the weak and empower the poor. I want Pakistan to be a welfare state. I will not let the nation down. I am a sportsman, and competition is in my blood. I want to be remembered as a player who always gave his all and tried to win for his team. I want my legacy to be that I was a great son, father, and friend. I'm not an advocate for disability issues. Human rights issues are what everyone should be concerned about. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. A nation's ideology is its identity, and it should never be compromised. The greatest mistake is to be continually fearing you will make one. Real leaders must be ready to sacrifice all for the freedom of their people. A strong economy begins with a strong, educated workforce. Success is not just about making money, it's about making a difference. True democracy is a marriage of ideals and institutions. Learn from the past, live in the present, plan for the future. The key to success is to keep growing in all areas of life mentally, emotionally, spiritually. The measure of a leader is not how well he prepares others to take his place, but how well he prepares them to take their own. You don't become a star overnight. Success is a result of persistent hard work. Unity among the people is the foundation of a strong and prosperous nation. Stand up for what is right, even if you stand alone. The greatest lessons come from life's most challenging moments. To achieve greatness, you must be willing to face your fears. Believe in the power of education to transform lives and nations. A leader's job is not to do the work for others, but to help others figure out how to do it themselves. In the pursuit of excellence, there is no room for mediocrity. Strive to leave a positive impact on the world and the people around you. Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. Empower the youth. They are the future architects of our society. Aim high, work hard, and never settle for anything less than your best. A strong and just society is built on the foundation of equal opportunities. Success is not about the destination. It's about the journey. The path to success is often paved with determination and resilience. Never underestimate the power of a united and determined nation. Leadership is about serving the people, not being served by them. Invest in the well-being of your people, and you will invest in the strengths of your nation. Adversity is an opportunity for growth and resilience. Wisdom is the ability to make sound decisions based on knowledge and experience. Strive for a society where justice is not a privilege but a right for all. To lead effectively, one must first learn to follow with humility. Success without integrity is a hollow achievement. Create a culture of accountability, transparency, and responsibility.